pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back. Guys, if you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I have actually received product review from Base Blue. So the first thing I want to do is welcome you all to this video and thank you to Base Blue for sending me this product review box. This is my very first one and I am super excited about this subscription. So I am going to open her up and we're going to learn about Base Blue. All right, got her open and ready. You get the first peek. Ooh, okay. What is this? What do we have? Do we get a card? We have got, it looks like 2 items in here. Okay. So Base Blue is basebluecosmetics.com. The box says the wonder begins. Since there's 2 items, I'm going to put this box down here and we are going to open these up. I need my scissors again, I think. Nope, I got this one. What is this? No card though. So we're going to have to read. Look, this is a perfume bar soap, it says. Okay. Take the packaging off. It's pretty looking. I actually have a stand in my bathroom with no bar soap on it. So I guess that's where this is going to go. Let me open up this packaging and read about this because this is a brand new company to me. Okay. Summer in Kyoto perfume soap bar. Okay, I got the plastic off of her and I'm sliding this out. This is what it looks like here. So it's a neat little holder right there. And it looks like it's got to be 10 of each, I'm guessing. Dry Day Beauty Cleansing Wipe. Water active cleansing wipe, gentle to use on sensitive skin, remove excess oil and refresh skin. Okay, it tells you the ingredients on the back. It does have perfume in it. And then this one here says wet makeup removing wipe. So we remove our makeup with this one and we can cleanse with this one. So cleansing in the morning, removing makeup at night. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I am excited to try these. This should be neat. You know what? Should we open it and try it? Why not? Let's open her up and try her. Okay, this is a very large, thick wipe. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It has a fresh scent. All right, let's try her out. You know what? Take off some makeup. Why not, right? Let's try her. Let's see what it does. It feels good. It's working. Let's see how it does with lipstick. Oh wow, it took that right off. I usually have problems with my lipstick coming off with makeup wipes. Huh, so I'm like doing a right now and unget ready with me or something because I'm taking off the makeup with this wipe. This is a very large makeup wipe. Look at my regular makeup wipes. They don't have the little ridges, but yeah, okay. Look at this size. Let's see, are the sizes different? Yes. It is about the same size, a little bit bigger. But I like the fact that it feels thicker, almost like a washcloth. So let's just see how much this will take off. And I didn't even smear my lipstick. Like, it's usually when I use the wipes, it like smears down here. So these are good wipes. Wow. My skin always gets a little bit red whenever I take my makeup off. So very cool. I'm enjoying this. That was Kayla. It was nice to have them not here today and at school. Let's finish getting unready with the same wipe here. Let's see. Take off my eyelashes. Put that down. Put that down. Let's just see. Now be gentle around the eyes. And we've got glitter glue on, so that might get a little messy. And the eyeliner, oh my gosh, is waterproof. But it came off that easy. I mean, I was expecting it to come off, but not that easy. And the glitter too. Now see, I wouldn't have thought, like, paying more for wipes. Usually you can get them for like $6 or whatever. But these are doing really well. I'm kind of shocked. And they're big, and I don't have to use more than one. At least it doesn't look that way. Wow. And you know what I'm going to do next, right? I'm going to cleanse my face, wet the other one, and cleanse. Okay. Did I get it all off? Let me see. Let's go gently over the eye. I do have lash glue. That is a little bit more difficult to get off. But everything is coming off. I'm shocked. I see a little smearing. Okay. Let's open up this one and get her wet, and then we're going to use her. I'll be right back. Okay, so I opened her up. I got her wet. She was dry like a paper towel. She still has the ridges in here. And now we're going to cleanse her face. As you hear Kayla in the background. It's really, there's really a lot of cleanser in here. Even though I feel it, like, you feel it. Now, I would actually buy these. It stands alone. It's easy to put on a counter or a shelf. They're individually packed, so they're not going to dry out. Way to go, Beast Blue. I wonder if you could use these on the go without like rinsing your face. Okay, and there was very little makeup left on my skin. But I'll tell you what, I like them. I've got a towel here to dry off my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm ready here. I could be ready for bed, even though, you know, it's not dinner time yet, but that's okay because I do go to bed early. You do have to use, definitely rinse off your face. After using that, it does have a lot of cleanser in it. It did a great job. I feel my face very refreshed. I can actually put on a serum now or a moisturizer, and I'm good to go. So I actually got unready with you guys. I think that was pretty neat. That's my first time ever doing that on camera. Thank you, Beast Blue, so very much for sending these products to me. I would totally purchase these. Absolutely. When I am out, I will definitely be reordering them. The bar soap, it's really nice to have something girly in the bathroom, so I do enjoy that. Thank you very much for sending this to me. Guys, it was sent to me to review. That's why I'm doing the video. I do not have a code with them or anything like that. I'm not sure of the prices on these items. If you do want to check these out for yourself, it's basebluecosmetics.com, and let me know if you've tried their products before. If you've tried these before, I think these are pretty brand new, but you know who's really good with this and has gotten this box? Jess Gus too. So she's probably going to be unboxing hers soon. If you haven't seen it already, it'll probably be up before mine. She might know a little bit more about this company. But I want to say thank you very much again to sending that to me. Thank you guys for taking the time to sit with me through this video, and I definitely want your thoughts in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you guys real soon in another video. Bye!